Here's our search person, Faith.
Hello, Nara.
Hey Faith, how are you doing today?
I'm good. How about you?
Today I'm fine too. And how about we start the interview right now?
Surely, let's go.
What is your favorite religion?
I think my favorite religion is Malikunda.
That's cool. What do you know about it?
Malikunda is the original story from Padang, Sumatera Barat.
Then what else do you know about it?
He came from a poor family and he had a hardworking father. But sadly, his father left him and his mother alone. But that's not the worst thing.
Then what?
He was ashamed of his mother
Why?
because he's using a dirty clothes.